Climate change has a growing effect on agriculture, also in Europe. What are the negative effects on agriculture? This spring we had quite an extreme weather. Let's see the maize this year. The sowing was first hindered by the extreme drought. Then after sowing there was centuries-old cold record. Then there was a lot of rain, a huge amount of precipitation. We can also see more variations in crop yields. In Europe, extreme heat events and reductions in precipitation and water availability are expected to hamper crop productivity. In Southern Europe, however, extreme heat events and reductions in precipitation and water availability are expected to hamper crop productivity. Crop yields are also expected to vary increasingly from year to year due to the extreme weather events and other factors such as pests and diseases. And increased amount of crop diseases is also a problem. Changes in temperatures and growing seasons might also have an effect increase and spreading of some species such as insects, invasive weeds or diseases, all of which might in turn affect crop yields. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how agriculture can adapt to climate change.